Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to my son is looking at me. Today I'm going to I'm going to try again. I don't know if you've seen my other video some months ago where I tried to like flat iron my hair. So today I'm going to try it again. Sorry guys, I have an audience in here. So I'm going to try it again. Hopefully this time it will work. So I'm gonna blow dry first. I've washed my hair. I've separated it in 4 sections. So I'm just gonna get right to it. And yeah. That, I don't know if you guys can see it well. Yeah, just gonna put this it's a serum. Yeah, my children have been playing with it. It's working. Just to protect it from the heat. My son is doing comedy here. He's copying me. So let's try this again. Okay, so I'm starting from the bottom. It's very hot. No. I saw one other one where you have gloves. I might have to buy gloves because you have to be careful not to burn yourself.
Papa, is that it hair?
He's stretching it. Yeah, so let's hope because of this serum it doesn't. Yeah, let's hope that it doesn't. So let me do the 2 sections. Let's hope like last time that it doesn't shrink back, because last time it was stretching but it was shrinking back. Let's hope because of the serum.
Daddy.
Bring you out.
Heavenly, no.
Heavenly, please.
Daddy.
Yes, I should take you out. I'm helping mommy.
Daddy.
Let's just hope it stays that way.
And it's too Daddy.
It's hot.
It's very hot.
Yeah.
You'll burn yourself. Mommy's being very careful.
Daddy. Mommy's not being careful.
Careful, man. You need help.
My husband is here like careful.
You need help.
Come on, right? So the bottom is not that done. Because I want it to.
Careful.
It's red.
So guys, this is the first section. You can see, yeah, this time around it's not really shrinking back in, is it?
What's really nice? Yeah.
My daughter saying it's very nice.
I like the cream. It smells nice.
Yeah.
I like your hair really nice. You have to take off this like this.
Yeah, I'm gonna do another section and then I'll come back. Let me just go over this.
Yeah. And this one is colorful.
It's a bit hard to do. So, can you see the difference, guys?
Everything back.
Look at the difference. So this is it, not thing is stretched, just washed, and this is it stretched.
Oh, good for me. Oh, good for me. Oh, good for me. Good
So this is the second part. Yeah. So off camera, I would do I'll probably take it bit by bit, but yeah, the reason I'm doing this is so I can trim it. Yeah, but you see it's not going down like last time, so I'm just gonna tie this part. So guys, I said when it's finished, but I'm just showing you. So I've done this part, this part, this part. Now I'm here. So I've just blow dried this one. I don't know if you can see well. So now I'm just gonna stretch this one.
Kind of this.
Okay, thank you. What are you doing? Just running
I'm gonna do her hair. I'm this one.
Yeah, the back there is not really done. I think the straightener is getting a little bit tired. It's overheated, so it's cooling itself down. Yeah. Yeah, but guys, this is for now. But I'll show you I'll show you the other part when I'm gonna trim it. But yeah, not today. So it will be today for you guys anyway, because you'll all be in the same video. So yeah, this is it. Can you see it well? Yeah, that's the back. Yeah, As you can see, it's still a bit bad. It's better than last time. It didn't go back in this time. So guys, this is the finished product. So I'm just gonna turn around to show you. So I'm gonna trim it. I don't know how I'll do it. Maybe I'll use a mirror. I'm looking at the mirror here. I don't think there's much to trim actually, but yeah, I'll trim it a little bit. But yeah, this is it. So I'll show you when I'm trimming it. Yeah, I'm just trimming it. Here there's nothing much, but here just trimming a bit. Let's see here. Here it's just and the back is hard to see. And then my husband is here. Okay, I'm looking at the reflection of the mirror. No, I'm not gonna trim the back. I think I'll leave it. There's nothing much to trim, right? Yeah, so that's it. Yeah, look at the shine. So that's the length. I don't have a measuring tape to see how long it is now. Yeah. Bye.